Hello friends, warm greetings from Eklavya Academy. So today we are going to see the assignment solution for week 4. The course is Introduction to Programming in C. Okay. Actually the question is given two arrays of integers, output the largest number in the first array which is not present in the second one. Here they are given the input format. The first line contains the size of the first array. Then next line give the contents of the first array. Then the third line contains the size of the second array. Then fourth line gives the contents of the second array. Then the output format. The output must be a single number, which is the largest number occurring in the first array that does not occur in the second one. Okay. In case there is no such number in the first array means we should output 0 here. Then the variable constraints. The sizes of the arrays are smaller than 20, which means 20 is the constant value here. Then the second constraint is each array entry is the integer which fit into the integer data type. So this is the example input and output format. Okay, so there are two sample inputs and outputs are given here. First one, 3 is the size of the first array, then 3 elements. Next, size of the second array, 4 elements. Then which consists of 4 elements, 1, 4, 5, 7. Okay. We are going to find the largest number in the first array, which means among 2, 3 and 4, which one is the largest number which is not present in the second array. Okay, so actually 4 is the largest one, but it occurs in the second array. The second largest one in the first array is 3, which is not present in the second array. So the output is 3 here. Then the next sample input is, first one is the size of the array. In the second line, we are having 1 element. Then in the second array, we are having 2 elements. They are 1 and 2. So which is the largest element in the first array? It is 1. But actually it occurs in the second array also. So in this case, we should output 0. So this is the constraints given in the program. So this is the source code. First line, we include the stdio.h. Then we define the constant value because the size of the array is maximum 20 only. So the constant variable is max, then size is 20. Next, we define one method read array of. This method is used to read the value from the users for 2 array values. Okay, then present method. In the present method, we are going to check whether the element is present or not. Okay, then this one is our main method. In main method, we are invoking the read array of method for reading the input from the users. Then with the help of for loop, we are invoking the present method and checking the presence of elements in array 1 which is not occur in the array 2. Okay. Then finally, we display the output. If the flag value set means we are going to print the big number in the first array. Otherwise, we are going to display 0. So first compile and run this program. So the public test cases are passed. The expected output is 4, then actual output is 4. The status of both test cases are passed. Then finally click the submit button. The private test cases also passed. Thank you guys.